something needs to be done because my son is not the only one stuck in this IT glitch.
There are a lot of reasons a child might not be covered by health insurance. A parent could lose a job, or their job might not provide insurance, or other plans may be just too expensive. That's where Pennsylvania's Children's Health Insurance Program, or CHIP, steps in. Any child or teenager who is not eligible for medical assistance can enroll.
But KDKA investigator Megan Schiller just learned a technical glitch is leaving some kids without any coverage and parents with a lot of anxiety.
It's coming to the end of the summer, so parents are really busy getting kids ready for back to school, sports camps, and annual physicals. That's why one Butler mom says a snag with her son's health insurance couldn't have happened at a worse time. And she found out he's not the only one. Melissa Gladdy talks to me mom to mom, saying it's stressful worrying about your kid. That's why she sent me her Facebook post about her son's health insurance hang-up, saying he's stuck in an IT nightmare.
Lost in this glitch. And no one could tell me who was going to get him out of this glitch. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm on a deadline. I got soccer starting really soon. I need insurance for my son. Get him out of this glitch.
Her 14-year-old son, Ethan, was about to wind up at soccer camp without health insurance.
I already had an appointment for his sports physical to get him in. And I'm like, what am I going to do? He has no insurance. Do I cancel the appointment? Do I take him to Med Express?
She said no one gave her answers, but they did give out different phone numbers.
They sent me to the governor's phone number, and I called them, and they sent me to another phone number, and then they sent me to another phone number, which actually sent me back to CHIP.
Why did you think, okay, maybe I'll reach out to Megan and KDK Investigates and see if they know what the heck's going on?
One person tells you to call this person, and this person tells you to call this person, and I knew I was going to go in this circle.
We reached out to the state's Department of Human Services and gave them Melissa and Ethan's information. They said they'd escalate her application, but we learned this Butler family is far from alone. DHS tells us in April of this year, when it tried to merge the CHIP program into the state's new eligibility system Compass, hoping to streamline the benefits for families, it did the opposite for some. More than 7 million Pennsylvania kids and teens rely on CHIP, and the program saw a 5% bump in enrollment since before the pandemic. Gladdy got word Friday that caseworkers pushed her son's application through, so he's covered for soccer camp.
So that is good, but my thing is, what about all the other kids in PA?
The state didn't tell me how many other kids' applications are stuck with enrollment hanging in limbo, but I'm told coverage can be retroactive in case something bad happens when your kid's uninsured and that window of time that you're waiting to hear good news. We've posted a resource list at KDKA.com with all of the phone numbers you would need if you had to call if your child's application is also stuck. Megan Schiller, KDKA News.